Hello viewers, welcome to our channel. Today's topic is how to download Google applications or how to log in the Google applications through Huawei store app gallery. So first of all, you need to subscribe us, like our video and click on the bell icon. So first of all, what you need to do, you need to go to the app gallery, and after you need to click on the profile me function, and you need to swipe it down, and you will see here check for updates. Click on it. If it's already updated, it's fine, but if there is update, you need to update your device, and after the update it will restart and it will go to the main screen. So in the main screen you need to search here Google. So here is the Google. You need to click here install. I already installed, so that's why it's showing open. So already installed, and if you want to install other Google applications, you swipe down. You can see here related apps, also popular apps, and from the same developer. So click on the more, and you can see too many Google related applications available in Huawei app gallery. So you can install it one by one, same like I already installed. Like I want YouTube also, so I can install the YouTube as well. Facebook I already installed, and Messenger. So I will go back to the home screen. So here I have the Google. I need to click on it. So it will take some time. So after 30 seconds it will on, and you need to click on sign in. Once you click on sign in, you need to add your Google account here and your password. So as you see, I already log in to the Google account. So when you add your Google account and your password, it will ask you the two-step verification. So if you already add your Google account in your old phone, you need to verify it and it will work here fine. So now I'm showing you other applications as well, also like Google Photos, Google Chrome, Google Drive. It's already automatically sign in to these devices. So you need to download the Google apps from the Huawei app gallery, like Google Photos, Google Drive, even the Google application and YouTube. So it will be automatically synchronized to your device, as it's showing my all data is here. Even in the Google Maps, it will show my account already is there, my dear. So like this, you can log in your all Google applications and you can log in your account here. Now I'm searching anything. I'm searching everything here. It's working fine. So thank you for watching my video. For other interesting videos, please subscribe my channel.